Are you looking for an easy-to-use indicator that doesn't give many fake signals? If yes, you are in the right place. Hello everyone, my name is ATP and welcome back to another episode of our Testing Indicators series. Here we explore new indicators, testing them across thousands of trades to uncover their real profitability. Today we are diving into a new and free, very stable indicator called the KusKus Starlight. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. So let's start by adding the KusKus Starlight indicator to our TradingView charts. First, click on Indicators, then type KusKus Starlight and you can use this free version provided by this trader. By definition, the KusKus Starlight is a custom technical analysis indicator designed to simplify the process of trend detection and provide clear entry and exit signals. It works by combining multiple moving averages and other technical indicators to filter out market noise and highlight significant price movements. Its visual simplicity makes it especially appealing for traders looking for a straightforward and easy-to-read tool. By default, its settings are 30 for the range periods and 0.3 both for the price smoothing as well to the index smoothing, but I advise you to change them to 0.6, which works better. For entry points, whenever a green bar appears, we will enter in a long position, and whenever a red bar appears, we will enter in a short position. And by looking at some examples, this indicator appears to be very accurate. But to confirm if its results are indeed profitable and efficient, we will need to, say with me, properly backtest it. As usual, to do this, we need three things. First, the technical system, second, the risk management rules, and third, the testing conditions. Regarding this last step, we will backtest the KusKus Starlight on the 30-minute, 1 hour and daily timeframes using data from 2022 and 2023 across a diverse asset portfolio: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock. For risk management, I will use the same method as in all the other episodes by using the ATR bands indicator, a volatility indicator that places the stop losses directly on your charts according to the market's volatility. To know more about it, you can check one of the previous episodes from this series. Finally, regarding the technical system, in addition to the KusKus Starlight, I will also use a 200-period exponential moving average as a baseline to filter out losing signals from the indicator. Here you have an example of a long position where the price is above the 200 EMA, and here you have a short trade example where the price is below the baseline. And in short, these are our backtest conditions. Let's now see how the KusKus Starlight will perform. To simplify and accelerate the backtesting process, I will go again to the Indicators tab, search for ATP Premium Indicators Testing Bot and add it to my charts. For those who don't know, with this tool I can test infinite combinations of strategies and indicators in a quick, simple and efficient way. At the moment, we have more than 60 indicators available for testing with trigger, exit, volume and baseline functions, but every week new indicators are added. And yes, you can also use this innovative trading tool. In addition to me, dozens of traders also use it and the feedback has been amazing. To learn more about it, you just need to access the indicators ranking link, which is in the first comment down below, and then click here. After selecting all the conditions we defined earlier, the KusKus Starlight and the 200-period EMA with the confirmation function, you can see that the trading bot not only displays every valid trade on the charts, but also gives me the monthly results on this table and the overall ones about each asset I want to backtest down below on the Strategy Tester tab. And because I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot takes, and that's what I'm going to do to create the trading journals. I will speed up the backtest, but you can slow it down in the YouTube settings. I'll see you in a minute. After inserting all the trades into my trading journal, I got an analysis of about 6,000 trades across the 3 different time frames. In the 30-minute one, after 3,700 trades, it achieved a win rate of 49.75% and a small net profit of 64%. Here you can check other metrics and also the results of every single asset, where you can notice that some of them are very profitable and then others perform very badly, and this was reflected in the equity chart, which despite being profitable was not consistent and had big drawdown periods. Next, in the 1 hour time frame, after almost 2,300 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of about 52% and a net profit of 282%. Again, here you can find other metrics and also the results from every asset, which this time are more consistent. And looking at the equity chart, we can see that in this time frame, the KusKus Starlight had a great performance. It was profitable, consistent and with small drawdown moments. And finally, on the daily time frame, after 104 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 48.08% and a net loss of 6%. As such, with this analysis, we can confirm that the KusKus Starlight is a decent indicator and perhaps more suitable for mid-time frames, like the 1 hour, 2 hour and 4 hour. Also, keep in mind that these results are based on the specific conditions and settings I used for this test. If you change the conditions, settings or even the assets, your results may change. So always test your strategies before putting them in practice. In this series, my objective is to simply test different indicators to discover which ones give us more probability of success and that are worth using in a complete strategy. In our ranking sheet, I believe the KusKus Starlight's fair place is here. And so, the purple cloud will continue to be our top indicator tested so far, followed by the Doro Stochastic and the Price Momentum Oscillator, whose corresponding videos you can find here. If you have ideas for indicators to test in future videos, don't forget to share them in the comments or in my free Discord community. Also, if you enjoyed seeing my working methods and would like to work one-on-one with me to enhance your trading skills and become a better trader, you can see all my available services on my website, algotradepro.org. For trading and investments, I use XTB, which is not only the safest broker I know, but also offers me the most advantages, such as 0 commissions up to 100,000 euros of monthly volumes. All links with more information are in the description. And that's it. Be well, thank you, and I'll see you in the next episode.